एक और कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट की प्रोसीडिंग्स के वेणुगोपाल द्वारा कंसेंट दी गई है। क्या है पूरी खबर मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं। अटॉर्नी जनरल के वेणुगोपाल हैज़ ग्रांटेड कंसेंट टू इनिशिएट कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स अगेंस्ट कॉमिक आर्टिस्ट Rachita Taneja at the request of a law student. In his letter granting consent, the AG has stated that the Taneja suite tweets portray that the Supreme Court of India was biased towards the ruling party. ये कहना है अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया का। आफ्टर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ग्रांटेड इंटरिम बेल टू अर्नब गोस्वामी, Taneja, who operates the Twitter handle @sanitary panels, tweeted a cartoon depicting the BJP, the Supreme Court, and a reporter with the text, "तू जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है, you don't know who is my father is." In his letter seeking permission to initiate contempt proceeding against the cartoonist, law student Aditya Kashyap attached an excerpt of another tweet dated August 7th this year, which stated, "Let's not forget how we got here." The caption is accompanied by a caricature that depicts a quid pro quo relationship between judiciary, especially retired Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, and the central government in delivering the Ayodhya judgment. Another tweet by Taneja, which the AG has flagged as contemptuous one, carrying the test, "Arnab gets bail, real journalist get jail, independent judiciary is fail." This caption comes with the Supreme Court with a saffron flag mastered on its top and engraved Sanghi Court of India, thereby depicting that the Supreme Court allegiance is to an ideology and not to constitution. In this light, Kashyap's letters, the tweet and post mentioned here in the publication thereof scandalizes the Honorable Supreme Court, insinuates and attributes motives behind judgment of the court. The line between the humor and the contempt of the court has also been clearly violated. These posts not only erode the trust in the institution of justice by casting aspiration on the justice delivery mechanism, but also interferes in the administration of justice. The tweets and posts are based on the distorted facts inspired by malice and amount to committing of criminal contempt. Granting consent for contempt proceeding, the Attorney General has informed the law student that the tweet by Taneja implicates a proposition as if the Supreme Court is biased towards the ruling party. I am satisfied that each of the tweets with cartoons attached is in contempt of Supreme Court of India. Here I grant my consent. तो ये एक दूसरा मामला सामने आया है जहाँ पर के वेणुगोपाल द्वारा कंसेंट दिया गया है फॉर इनिशिएटिंग कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स। आप लोगों को ध्यान होगा कुणाल कामरा मामले में भी के वेणुगोपाल द्वारा कंसेंट दिया गया था फॉर कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट। तो मेन खबर, अटॉर्नी जनरल के वेणुगोपाल ग्रांट्स कंसेंट टू इनिशिएट contempt proceedings against comic artist Rachita Taneja for her tweets. In his letter granting consent, the Attorney General has stated that Taneja's tweet portrayed that the Supreme Court of India was biased towards the रूलिंग कंट्री। तो फिलहाल एक बहुत बड़ी खबर आ रही है, अटॉर्नी जनरल के वेणुगोपाल द्वारा कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के प्रोसीडिंग्स के लिए कंसेंट दे दिया गया है। तो कुछ और खबरों के साथ कुछ ही देर में जुड़ूंगा। फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही, धन्यवाद।